What is excavation and how many type of excavation? Excavation means digging of soil, rock and other material. Excavation can be completed as a manual and mechanical. Generally, there are two types of excavation, manual excavation and mechanical excavation. In manual excavation, earth can be removed by person and use pickaxe and plastic hand shovel. In mechanical excavation, earth can be removed by use of excavator and need to follow mechanical excavation process. Next, what are the documents required for mechanical excavation or manual excavation? Required valid work permit, formal risk assessment and rescue plan, provide toolbox meeting and discuss all hazards and control measures, required excavation certificate, required underground scanning report, required drawing copy of utility services, required signature of performing authority, area authority, surveyor and E&I engineer JP on a scanning report, required vehicle entry of excavator. If you are going to start mechanical excavation, first required manual trial pit, and mechanical excavation should be start after completing the trial pit, and after it should be also verified by PA, and this trial pit will be verified by PA, surveyor, E&I engineer and area authority and JP also, and also verified by site safety officer. Provide protection of existing facility. If required, provide shoring, sloping, stepping, benching and shielding for excavation. Do not use pickaxe after 30 cm for manual excavation. Do not use pickaxe after 30 cm for manual excavation. Keep excavated soil 1 meter away from the excavation pit. Provide cable detector during excavation. Provide close observation and provide competent manpower. Provide proper personal protective equipment and barricading of workplace area. Next, what are the hazards of excavation? Above ground existing facility, underground utility services, site collapse, cave-in, confined space, fall of person, fall of vehicles, line of fire, watering issue, line of fire, blind spot, unsafe act, unsafe condition, human error. Next, what are the excavation protection method? There are 4 types of protection method generally used in excavation: shoring, sloping, shielding and benching. What is shoring? Shoring is a temporary structure which is used for prevent collapse of sites of excavation. As a shoring use wood plank and metal plank. There are 2 types of shoring: timber shoring and aluminum shoring. What is sloping? Sloping means cutting back the excavation wall at an angle to prevent soil collapse. We can make 90-degree slope in stable rock soil. We can make 53-degree in type of A soil, and we can make 45-degree in type B soil. We can make 34-degree in type C soil. What is shielding? Installing trench box or other types of protective shields. What is benching? Creating horizontal step or levels on excavation wall. It is used for protect the workers from cave-in and collapse of soils. Benching cannot be done in type C soil. How many type of soil? There are various types of soil: type A soil, type B soil, type C soil. What are the hazards of excavation? Above ground existing facility, underground utility services, collapse of sites, confined space, cave-in, line of fire, blind spot, unsafe act, unsafe condition, human error, fall of person, fall of. What are the control measures of mechanical excavation or manual excavation? Provide valid work permit with the formal risk assessment and rescue plan, excavation certificate, underground scanning report and vehicle entry certificate. Provide toolbox meeting and discuss hazard and control measures before starting the manual excavation or mechanical excavation. Provide underground scanning report of utility services. Provide drawing copy of underground utility services. Required signature of PA, area authority, surveyor and E&I engineer JP on a scanning report. Mechanical excavation should be start after completing manual trial pit and must be verified and approved by performing authority, surveyor and E&I engineer and area authority and JP. Provide shoring, sloping, shielding and benching. Stop safety violation and allow only safe practice. Stop to perform unsafe acts. Stop to perform in unsafe condition and stop to perform in line of fire. Do not use pickaxe after 30 cm. Excavated soil keep 1 meter away from the excavation pit and provide cable detector.